My name is Caroline Chirchir, Acting CEO and Managing Trustee of Unclaimed Financial Assets Authority. Today we are in Kisi Stadium. What we are doing is what we call Unification Clinic. And first is to inform you that Unclaimed Financial Assets Authority is a government parastatal that is mandated to receive and safeguard and reunite all assets which have been unclaimed and have been remitted to our authority from various holders. So we are in the process of looking for the owners, the rightful owners, to claim those assets. And we have had this initiative. We are going to different counties as we try as much as possible to reach out to the members of the public so that they can come and check if they have any assets with us, and we shall be able to guide them to be able to claim those assets. Rate of claiming so far, we are talking of about 5% to 6%, but is improving over time. The operations of the institution began in 2014, but started the reunification process in 2015. And we have been seeing growth in the progressively, however a bit low, but we are seeing that we are making some progress in getting people to come, especially when we continue to create awareness. Reason, as I said again, sometimes we do not get all the details in terms of contacts of the owners, and therefore it takes us a lot of time to look for who are actually supposed to claim, or the rightful beneficiaries for the assets which have come to us. So we are talking of about 5 to 6% rate of unification so far. Initiative of holding clinics in various towns or areas or regions in the past 2 years rather, and we are finding it's giving us better yields, because when we do awareness a few days just to create awareness to the people within that area and then tell them where we are located in the week, we found that there is good progress, and it helps us even in getting more numbers. And in that also, that awareness and word going round, it starts making the members of the public to actually be keen even to check, because in the process we also inform the members of the public that we have a USD code, *261#. So we encourage people also, even if they are full time, they can use their phones to check. 2, we are planning to launch very soon a WhatsApp number, which is going even to be much better. All this is, we want to get to the people as much as possible, to the wider public, to know how they can check their assets, but if they have any assets with us, and then they can claim. That's what we are doing here this week, from today until Friday. And we are welcoming all people who are around Kisi town and environs to be able to come and check with us.